Okay, here we have a very strange acting Goodman. Not sure what's going on. It's like halfway running and the open Emerson scroll. This thing's running like normal. This thing's running without the fan. I think it just tried to start. 2019 2-ton GSZ14. Man, it's trying to start right now. It's not working. It probably has a bad capacitor, something. But yeah, look at that. You can really hear it now. I heard a defrost in the distance, but I'm not gonna go run over to it. Listen to this. Just real quick. Listen. Man, that is not happy. But yeah. Anyways, just a quick video. Thank you for watching, and over and out.